Bolt, we do all kinds of different upgrades from various different systems that are out there on the market. But a lot of times we find that our customer base is very loyal to Microsoft, and it's very apparent that they like the Microsoft stack and they want to make sure they stay in that family. And so a lot of times we find ourselves upgrading from tools like Navision or SL or GP or AX 2012, all of those upgrades. And I honestly didn't know that it was going to be this impactful, but upgrading from an existing Microsoft ERP into a tool like Business Central is way more efficient, risk adverse, and it's really very, very effective for our customers because they're already familiar with the look and the feel and the way that Microsoft thinks about processes. I mean, Business Central was built on top of Navision, for example, and that was its legacy or predecessor. It is very similar to Navision and a lot of the different kind of back-end core bones. And being able to take a customer from Navision to Business Central, you take all of the things you like about Navision and you put it into a best-of-breed new Business Central ERP system where it has the capabilities to kind of exceed anything they previously were doing. And it's very, very effective and fast to be able to do those implementations. But in general, I think there's a opportunity for customers that are currently sitting out there on these older legacy systems to take advantage of this new wave of technology that's coming with AI. And I really, really think that they're going to need and they're going to want to upgrade to these new platforms very soon in the near future to be able to take advantage of these efficiencies that are going to be coming with AI in the future. And Business Central is a very logical tool to upgrade to because it has a lot of the same look and feel that our customers are very used to with the Microsoft stack, and it only amplifies the capabilities going forward. I mean, I think there's a lot of reasons why our customers would want to move to Business Central over a Navision or GP or SL. I think it's really numerous reasons why, but the big ones that I can think of is the cloud-based product. I think any project that we take on, we are heavily influencing our customers to go with the cloud model. We think it would be doing a disservice to them if we did recommend on-prem. There are certain circumstances where, of course, it does make sense, and we support those as well. But within the cloud, there's huge advantages to being able to do your business processes off of a cell phone, off of any device anywhere in the world. You're able to do things that currently your on-prem system is limiting you to be able to do. And it's very exciting for the customers. I think there's a lot of other advantages as well with new features. Of course, Microsoft is in the monthly update cadence where every time the partners or our customer base has ideas out there, Microsoft's listening and coming up with enhancements and releasing those on a regular basis. That allows us to kind of adapt and adjust to those. But really, I think one of the main reasons that our customers like the tools of Business Central and the new modern ERPs is that it has the capability and direct connections to tools like Power BI. Their accessibility to the data with analysis views and things like that is at their fingertips, where as it previously would be very challenging to get a hold of the data and get it into the formats and be able to do true analytics on it. It's now there, it's readily accessible.